This is the Home Depot Glacier Bay Power Flush installed. Has a soft close seat for people who are into things like that. This extra bar on the side is an optional accessory I put in, but we don't have to see the whole seat. Go down. I'm going to give it a flush. So the seat is better. I'm going to give it a flush. Oh, it's pretty thorough. And the refill mechanism is pretty quiet. Not too much sound. So there you go. Home Depot Glacier Bay Power Flush. $149.99 at your local Home Depot. Order online for curbside pickup during COVID-19.